Alright y'all, we're going to do this quick, fast, and in a hurry. This is my Asian inspired gravy that we're going to put on the egg pancakes from the previous video. Now, what I've done here is I've taken the 2 cups of chicken broth and put it in the pan here. We're going to get it up to a simmer. I've also put in all the spices and all the other liquid stuff that's the beginning of the video here. You can get it up to temperature. I'm going to thicken it with a little arrowroot powder, and done. D-U-N, done. Alright, it's up to a nice little simmer. We're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour that is dissolved in a little bit of that chicken stock I put aside. I'm going to thicken it real quick, and this will be done. Look at that there, huh? Look at that. Look at that beautiful gravy. Let's give it a little taste. Make sure it's right. Woo! That's some mighty fine gravy right there. It's got a little Asian influence to it. It's just the right thickness. This is going to go great on your egg pancakes. Don't forget to mash the subscribe button, click the bell icon, all that stuff. Go on to the next video, y'all. Until that time, I love you. God bless. Bye.